Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the battery on your Apple AirTag. Now, do note that the batteries are linked in the description of the video, but it takes what is known as a watch battery or a CR2032. So all you need to do is hold the AirTag like this with the Apple logo facing towards you. Then you have to press and hold on either edge or either side of this metal or steel piece and then rotate it counter clockwise, and bam, here it is. You can see that this here is the battery. So this is a CR2032. We can take it out, and then for your replacement battery you'll do the same thing. Let us assume this is your replacement battery, so the side with the text CR2032 needs to be facing outwards or towards you. And then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to line up these slots which you see on the slots here on the white part, and then rotate it clockwise. There it is. You are going to hear a little chirp, which means the battery is now active. We rotated it clockwise, and bam, here it is. That is how you replace the battery on your Apple AirTag.